In the hustle and bustle of modern life, finding time for fitness can seem impossible. We're all juggling multiple roles: worker, parent, caregiver, friend, and it often feels like there aren't enough hours in the day. The idea of squeezing in a workout can seem more like a luxury than a necessity. Yet we know that maintaining our health and fitness is paramount. It's a classic conundrum that leaves many of us feeling stuck. But what if there was a way to stay fit without disrupting your busy schedule? Introducing the ultimate time-saving fitness solution: quick and effective workouts. Picture this: your day is filled to the brim with obligations, but you still wish to keep fit. Sounds impossible, right? Not anymore. Welcome to the world of quick and effective workouts, such as high-intensity interval training or HIIT. These workouts are specially designed to fit into your busy schedule. They are short, intense, and incredibly beneficial. The best part? You can do them anytime, anywhere. Whether in your living room during your toddler's nap or in your office during your lunch break. And the cherry on top? They require little to no equipment. These workouts are all about maximizing your efforts within a short time frame, so you burn more calories, build more strength, and improve your cardiovascular health in less time. Imagine that, getting a full-body workout in just 15 minutes. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from real moms who've transformed their lives with quick and effective workouts. Meet Lisa, a single mom of 2, who was initially skeptical about fitting a workout into her packed schedule. But with these quick workouts, she's seen a remarkable change in her energy levels and overall fitness. She says, "I feel like a superhero, ready to tackle anything." Then there's Jennifer, a working mom who's been juggling her job, children's activities, and household chores. She's lost 20 pounds since she started these workouts, and she feels more confident than ever. In her words, it's not just about losing weight, it's about feeling strong and vibrant. And let's not forget about Sarah, a mom of 3 who says, "I've gained an hour back in my day and I feel healthier than I did in my 20s. These are just a few examples of the countless moms who've seen real results. If they can do it, so can you. Are you ready to take control of your health, even with a busy schedule? It's time to seize the day and start prioritizing your well-being. Remember, fitness is not a destination, it's a journey. And it's achievable no matter how packed your schedule may be. So, let's make that positive change together. Start with these quick, effective workouts and see real results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your fitness journey starts now.